This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine the contents of two cells in Google Sheets. Here, I have a list of names and job titles, and let's suppose I want to combine them into one cell. What you will do is that you will use a formula that uses the ampersand or the and symbol. What that requires is to go into the cell where you want the new data to appear, and then place an equal sign, and then the name of the cells that you want to include. So I want to include A2, and then you're going to add the and or ampersand. And then after that, you want to put a quotation mark, and you can put anything that you want in between the two quotation marks that you're going to have there. So if I want there to be a dash, or actually a space, dash, and then a space, I'll just type that here, space, dash, space, and then I will close that parentheses. And then here is the kicker. You will need to add another ampersand, and then the name of the other cell that you want to include, which in this case is B2. Notice that Google Sheets will give you a preview of what will appear here at the top, and then you select enter, and now that information is there. You do not need to repeat that formula for the rows below that, because all you need to do is highlight that cell with the combined data, and then hover your cursor in the lower right-hand corner over this circle, and then drag it down to the last cell or the last row in your table. And now all of these values are here, and they are combined into one cell. You can put anything you want inside of those quotation marks, including additional spaces, letters, etc. Remember that when you use a formula, when you double click on the cell, that text is not there. The formula is there. So if you want the text to appear there natively, what you need to do is highlight all of the cells, then select copy. And then you can either put this in a separate column, or you can write over this by selecting paste special, then selecting values only. When I do that, the text that's there is actually native inside of the spreadsheet instead of being the formula. So this video shows you how to combine the contents of two cells in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.